All my instructions to my models you can find under my videos. In this video I wanna show you the StuG III Ausf. It's a German assault gun of the Second World War. So let's see this model from each side. Very nice vehicle, guys. Just look at that. Incredible design, guys. I really like it. Actually, I have not a lot of enough experience in building different vehicles of the Second World War. I had experience some little bit, but not enough, because actually I prefer to build more modern vehicles, actually, guys. So this model is really pretty nice. Also, there is the incredible turret inside of this model. I'll show you it. And also the model is really simple, but you know, there is interior, as I mentioned, and also there is some functions here. Also the model is very simple, not too difficult, but also I want to mention that this model is modular. Yeah, modular, because we can attach this part, the another part right here, and we can see the interior inside, and also there is the engine of the model. So let's see the model from each side. Very nice model, guys, very nice. So let's see the functions, the features of the model. First of all, we can move the gun barrel. Let's see it. Let's see the gun barrel, like that. We can move it up and down, just like that. Yeah. Very cool, very nice. Just look at this. Also, we can open the hatches on the top of the vehicle, the hull. Just let's open them. Like that. As I mentioned, there is the incredible interior inside of the model. Just look at this. Yeah, very nice. Just look at the on the top of the hull of the vehicle. There is different stuff here, different instruments, different tools, spare wheels, lights, the machine gun. It's a MG44, as I remember. Yeah, it's a MG44, the Second World War. Also my favorite machine gun of that period. The antenna and other stuff, different detailing parts, the hatches, incredible. Especially I like the view of the model just from this side. Incredible. Just look at that. Just look at this shape. Incredible shape from this side. Also it looks really incredible. Really like it. You know, the model is really nice, guys. Really nice. I like it. Maybe in the future I'll build the Panzer IV, Panzer III. Also it would be incredible, I think. What do you think about it? Let me know in comments below. So I like it. So that's all. Yeah. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Oh yeah.